Listen, guys. Now, alright. I'm having like 2 more corn dogs right now, right? It's fine, alright? Now, it is currently it's currently like 8:48 right now. Now, 4 hours ago, it was 4 in the morning, right? I got in trouble for the microwave being on. And when I say you always stop the microwave when it's at 4 in the morning. Because I straight up got busted for eating that late. And I got in hella trouble. So this is just, I'm just going to throw this out there. You're going to get screwed over if your microwave's super duper duper loud and you don't stop it at 4 in the morning. Oh crap, it is 8:48. I need to feed my dogs. Hey guys. That's a good girl. Nala's my favorite out of these two. There's a dog out. I don't know if you guys can see the shed doors, but there's a dog out there. And it's a boxer. So adorable. But yeah, see you guys next video. Bye.